A historic executive order instituting reciprocal tariffs on countries throughout the world. Reciprocal, that means they do it to us and we do it to them. Very simple, can't get any simpler than that.
Isinabatas na ni United States President Donald Trump ang panukala na nagpapataw ng mas mataas na reciprocal tariff sa iba't ibang bansa kabilang ang Pilipinas. Sa isang talumpati sa White House, sinabi ni Trump na magkakaroon ng 10% baseline tariff sa lahat ng imported products. Ang Pilipinas, pinatawan ng 17% na reciprocal tariff. Pero di hamak na mas mababa ito kumpara sa ibang bansa katulad ng Vietnam na may 46% at China na may 34%. Ang Cambodia ang may pinakamataas sa 49%.
April 2nd, 2025 will forever be remembered as the day American industry was reborn, the day America's destiny was reclaimed, and the day that we began to make America wealthy again. We're gonna make it wealthy, good and wealthy.
Dagdag ni Trump na sumadsad ang approval rating ayon sa survey. Matutulong itong muling maibalik ang lakas ng Estados Unidos sa maraming mahahalagang industriya kabilang ang manufacturing. Pero ayon sa ilang eksperto, posibleng magpabagal ito sa global economy na kasisimula pa lang makabangon mula sa post-pandemic inflation surge. Maaari rin daw nitong pataasin ang mga presyo ng bilihin.
Having no barriers to trade, makes the economy more efficient and provides sort of a solid foundation. So my concern would be that if these tariffs are long-lasting, it could have quite significant effects on, the foundations of global economies.
Sa April 5 ang opisyal na implementasyon ng utos na Trump. Para sa iba pang balita, patuloy na sumubaybay sa lahat ng social media pages ng News 5.